Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Jazmine Lambarca and I love making videos about fashion, makeup, and beauty products. So I recently got new face brushes and they are from SLMissGlam, SLMissGlam. So that's her name on Instagram and YouTube. So I ordered some face brushes that I'm excited to show you. They came in this really pretty box. So it says SLMissGlam. And when you open the box, it says Boss Babe on the cap. And these brushes came in a really cute bag, plastic bag. And the good thing about this is like you can put your brushes back here because it's like a Ziploc bag. So that way if you go travel, you can take your brushes here if you really feel like it. So these are the brushes. I've already used them to create this makeup look and I just love these. So I'm going to be creating my makeup look today using these tools, and throughout the video I will be sharing my thoughts and also at the end some final thoughts. So watch until the end, guys. Alright, so let's start with the tutorial. Alright guys, so let's start with the makeup application. I've already done a couple of steps. First, let me just put my hair in a bun. So this is what I like to do when I'm getting ready, just to pretty much prep my hair and kind of like shape my hair meanwhile I'm doing my makeup. So I just like to do a bun so that way my hair, when I let it loose and brush a little bit, it's a little bit wavy and stuff. So I've already done a couple of steps. I've already applied my foundation, which is this one. This one is the one that I'm using at the moment, and I've repurchased a couple of times. The color I'm wearing is 125 Nude Beige. So this has SPF 18, and it's a normal to dry skin, and it's a dewy finish. Okay. And I'm using my Sonia Kashuk sponge for the application of my foundation because I just love this sponge. It's really big and it covers a lot of area quickly at the same time. And I'm using this NYX concealer at the moment. It's called Born to Glow. I just bought this out of curiosity and I like it so far. And I'm just using the tip of the sponge to blend my concealer. And also I did my brows and I also did my lipstick. I haven't done powder yet. So my lip products that I'm using is this NYX lip pencil. It's called the Slide On, Glide On, Stay On. And there's just such a long sentence that comes with this. It's called Bed Rose. Lit the Roses. It has like 10,000 different names, just if you wanted to know. So I've applied whatever this is, you know, whatever it's called. Then I've applied an Estee Lauder lipstick that I just fell in love with. So happy I got this lipstick. So see, this one has just 2 words. Crazy beautiful. How nice is life, right? When a lipstick and a lip product has only 2 words, guys. So this is the lipstick. So that's literally what I'm wearing. And on top of that, I included This Is Everything lip oil. It's like in color pink. Well, the color is This Is Everything with a hashtag on front from NYX. Yeah, it's just a cute lippy oil. So the moment of truth, I will test these face brushes and I am just over the moon excited that I finally got these because SLMissGlam has a lot of different styles, colors, books of brushes. But the one that caught my attention, like the number 1, was this one, Cotton Candy. And it's just adorable, it's just amazing. I just love these colors. They just look so cute. So the first brush I will use is this tapered brush. This is called tapered face. So I'm going to use the Mineralized Skin Finish. This is in color medium. Usually I order medium plus, but these are different times, guys. But I might stay with the medium because, you know, winter's coming, fall is coming, temperature is going to get colder, and I'm going to get paler. So I don't mind the medium shade. This is just really soft. I mean, not the softest brush I've owned, but definitely pretty soft and pretty comfy. Done with that. Okay, my next step is going to be bronzer. I always like to put bronzer right away, so I'm going to be using this other brush, the round blusher. And I like how tapered it is, and lately, in the last like year or two, I've liked smaller brushes to be able to do my contour. So for that, I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder bronzer. So this color is in Bronze Goddess, and it's a medium. What I like about this brush is, just initial thoughts, is that it allows me, it's a little bit stiff, but not that much, so it allows me to allocate my bronzer really well in the areas that I want to, but at the very same time not creating any harsh lines, allowing me to blend effectively, honey. So it's like 2-in-1, I would say. It's like bronzer, applicant, and also blender. The reason why I say that is because I do have other brushes that leave a harsh line. Not that they're bad brushes, but it's just some brushes do that, which is nothing wrong with it. I'm still going to use those brushes. I also like to put underneath my jawline. I'm going to use this Tea Rose blush. For some reason the camera is picking up a lot brighter. It looks coral on the camera, but it's not. It's like a pale rose. So it's called Tea Rose. And I'm going to use this angle brush to apply it. Normally I prefer smaller brushes, but I'm just going to use this angle brush, and that's what it's called, angle brush. I'm just going to apply a little bit because I'm wearing pink. My lips are already a little bit pink, so I don't want to overdo the pink. So it's just a splash of color, essentially. And I learned this trick like from, I think from a makeup artist of a model, and they just mentioned just to slightly put a little bit of bronzer here and here, just to kind of like make believe like you're sun-kissed by the sun. So ever since I saw that trick, I was like, yes, following that trick going forward. All right, so I'm going to leave the highlighter for kind of like the end. I'm going to start my eyeshadows because I really need to go to the gym, and then I need to go to meet my friend, you know, shower at the gym, meet my friend, etc., etc. So I'm going to be using this palette from NYX. This is called Ultimate Utopia, and the color that I will use from this palette is this one. So I'm going to be using this brush. So this is like a taller blending brush, and this is called Blend Beauty, this brush. So I'm going to use that. I've never used such a tall blending brush before. Yeah, this is quite big for my crease, I would say. I think I would take this brush either for blending powder like underneath my eyes or something like that, instead of using this for an actual eyeshadow crease brush. Just my eyes are not that big though. Okay, so the brush that I actually use for my crease is this one from Sonia Kashuk. And it doesn't have a name anymore because it erased due to multiple uses in time. So I'm just gonna blend this a little bit more. Then I'm going to use my MAC brush. This is the 227 brush, just to clean out the corners here. Okay, so I'm going to use two other colors for the crease. So I'm going with this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to use the color Puree. And I'm going to take this same blending brush. So what I'm trying to do now is just stay right at the hollow of my crease, because with the other color, I was just trying to take it up here, closer to my brow bone. But this time, I'm just trying to concentrate it on the hollows. And then I'm going to be using this palette. So this is from Kylie Jenner. This is from the Momager collection. So I'm going to be using two colors that are pretty much my go-to. I'm going to be using this one, and then I'm going to use Vodka Tonic. And I'm going to be using this brush. This is called the Fluffy Crease. I'm just going to use it with 10% just on the point of the brush. Oh. So I just want to smoke this out a little bit. Not too intense, because this is not a fancy dinner or anything. You guys, I love this brush. It's just like very tapered and very precise. I just really like this. This is like my new favorite crease brush. Time to use Vodka Tonic. So I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush. Very good brush. I liked how this brush applied my eyeshadow, so that's a winner too. And now I'm going to apply my highlighter. Guys, this is turning out like a really fancy makeup look. That's fine. That's fine. So the eyeshadow highlighter that I'm applying right now with this angle brush is Sin from the Naked Palette 1, because this is my favorite Naked palette. So this is the one I'm using. And granted, I've seen the palette called Honey. I'm very curious to try that out because it looked phenomenal when I went to Ulta the other day. So I'm thinking of getting that one. Wait, what am I doing? Okay. Alright. So I liked all the eyeshadow brushes. I'm not really used to using such a tall blending brush, but I will use it for other reasons, for sure. Now I'm going to put my liner and mascara, so I'll be back. I'm back. So I put my eyeliners and also I've applied my mascara. So now I'm going to be using this brush, Morphe M510 brush, to apply my highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm going to be using is from also the Momager collection from Kylie Jenner, and I'm going to wear Money Doesn't Grow on Trees mixed with Pussy Willows. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Right, guys, so this is my finished makeup look using these fabulous cotton candy face brushes and eyeshadow brushes. I love these so much and I'm really happy that I got these. I would love seeing this particular collection expand. I just see a lot of potential in it, and I personally would like a highlighter brush. A little bit wider and bigger than this one, and I would actually need 2 of them. I don't know, it's just I use my highlighters so much and I feel like I need more highlighter brushes. And something like this style, I would like, maybe not as puffy like that, right? Kind of like in between these two. Something like that, right? Yeah. But, oh my gosh, you guys, I really love these. I think that I'm definitely going to get more brushes from her in the future. I was thinking like one of those, the one that has like the donuts and the coffees all over the handles of the brushes. Those look really cute. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Write me a comment below. And thank you for watching. Bye.